Hello.
Hello, Kenchi. Hello, Kenchi. Who is Alice?
What?
Who is Alice?
Me.
You? Why Alice?
My name, English name is Alex.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me that before, that your English name is Alice.
Oh.
Wow, what a nice name. So, Kenchi, happy birthday to you. I saw your birthday pictures. Did you have many visitors, Kenchi?
Yes.
Wow. So did you receive a lot of gifts?
What?
Did you receive a lot of gifts?
Yes.
Very good. So I know that you are happy on your birthday. Okay. So Kenchi, let's begin our class 4.
Lesson.
What? So Alice, do you want me to call you Alice, Kenchi? Do you want me to call you Alice or Kenchi only?
Kenchi.
Yeah. Oh, Kenchi. Wait, I saw your picture on your Halloween party, right?
Yeah.
You are a vampire.
Yeah.
I laughed. You know what? I laughed because you said you don't want to be a vampire, right? But your costume is a vampire. That's why I laughed and laughed. And then I said to your mom's Facebook, "Hello, my little vampire." I said that. Did you see it?
Listen and look.
Did you see it on your mom's Facebook?
What?
Did you see it on your mom's Facebook? I called you a little vampire.
Facebook?
Yeah?
Facebook?
Yes, Facebook. You don't know? Okay. So, Kenchi, let's begin our lesson 4 tonight. Yippee! Let's begin. All right. So, Kenchi, all right. So, our first activity will be listening activity, okay? It says here, listen and draw lines. There is one example. So, Kenchi, you have to draw a line on your answer, okay? Let's begin. My ear is aching. Teacher's ear is aching. Your voice is very loud. You're so crazy. Finish shouting. Tell me if you're finished shouting so that I can play the audio file now. want to listen or not? Your voice is so loud. Or you change your name into Alice or Kanchi. Okay, so Kanchi, wait, let me call you Alice. Okay, let's try. So, okay,
No.
You don't want? So, Alice. Oh, all right, Kanchi. Is that okay, Kanchi?
No, I don't want.
Okay, Alice.
No, I don't want.
Okay, Kanchi.
No.
Okay. Okay, little vampire.
No.
No?
Wait.
What are you? You are going to change your name again.
Wait.
Wait
for me.
Okay, Alice.
No, Alice.
But Alice is a very nice name.
Wait, not finished.
Oh, what's that? I cannot read it. Oh. Okay. Alice, Kanchi, and Biang Araneta. Wow. I thought that is Alice, Kanchi, and Vampire. Okay. Let's begin now. Not yet finished. Okay. What are you writing again?
Wait. It's very nice.
What is that?
I love it. You can see it?
Yeah, that's my name. So we have the same name.
No.
What? Are you finished? Oh, Kitty. Wow, that's a very cute name. You can use that. Oh, so
Wait.
you're... Oh, what?
Not you. Look.
Teacher. Okay, so you are teacher. Okay, teacher.
No.
Oh, what?
No.
What's that? Cup. You're a cup?
No, let's learn.
What is that? That's a cup. So you are a coffee?
No.
A what?
Wait for me.
Mm-hmm.
Lick.
Okay, so are you finished writing your name or changing your name?
Not ready.
You're not yet finished?
Yeah.
I'll finish now. What are you typing again? Listening to teacher. Wow. That is a nice name. Are you ready? Ready now?
No, not ready.
Not ready again? Oh, okay. You're going to change your name again.
Kitty or Alice?
Oh, okay. So your name now is Kitty or Alice?
No.
Oh, what?
Kitty. One name. Kitty or Alice?
Okay, so I can call you Kitty or I can call you Alice. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin. Kanchi. Oh, Kitty.
No. No. Wait.
What's that again?
You can change your name, please.
Oh, what am I going to change my name?
Yes, please.
What? What name do you want me to change?
Any name you want.
Any name I want?
Yes.
Okay, I'll wait. Let me see. What name could I put here?
What are you doing?
I changed it already.
Beautiful teacher.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Not okay. One more time.
Oh, I will change one more time?
Yes, please.
Oh.
One more time.
Okay, that's my new name.
Beautiful.
Is that okay?
Beautiful vampire.
Yeah.
Beautiful vampire.
Yeah. Is that okay?
No, not.
No? Oh. What? Oh, is that okay now?
You can change You can change your name is Sally.
Sally.
Teacher Sally.
Ah, okay.
Teacher Sally.
So my name will be Teacher
Sally.
Teacher Sally.
Finish?
Oh, finish. Is that okay?
Okay. Yes, okay.
So your name for tonight is Kitty, and then my name for tonight is?
Teacher Sally.
All right. So let's begin. And I want you to listen and put a line on your correct answer. Okay, Kitty?
No, Alice.
Ah, okay, Alice.
Okay.
All right. So let's begin.
Part 1. Look at part 1. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
There is one example.
Where's Jane?
Yes.
She's in the garden.
Hello.
She's playing badminton.
Is she the girl in the red dress?
Yes, she is.
Okay, I see her.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
Oh, you listen first.
1.
So who's the girl in the blue dress?
The girl who's playing badminton or the girl who's bouncing a ball?
The girl who's playing badminton.
That's Sally.
Sally.
That's right. 2.
And where is Jane's brother?
Jane's brother. Oh, you mean Paul.
That's right.
No,
Paul.
no, no.
Is he the boy?
Okay now?
Yes.
Okay.
The girl who's playing badminton.
That's Sally.
Sally.
That's right. 2.
And where is Jane's brother?
Jane's brother. Oh, you mean Paul.
That's right. Paul. Is he the boy who's kicking a ball?
No, he's climbing a tree.
Oh, I see him. He's climbing very well.
Yes, he is. 3.
Who's that under the tree?
The boy under the tree or the girl?
The boy. He wants to climb the tree, I think.
His name's Jim. He's Jill's brother.
I see.
4.
Where is
boy
Jane?
or girl?
She's here.
What? What's that, Kenchi?
Boy or girl? She, boy or girl?
Oh, she is a girl. Oh, do you want to listen one more time?
Yes.
Okay, Alice.
3.
Who's that under the tree?
The boy under the tree or the girl?
The boy.
Oh, the
He
boy.
wants to climb the tree, I think.
His name's Jim. He's Jill's brother.
I see.
He.
Okay, next one.
4.
Where is Jill?
She's here. She's bouncing a ball.
Is she the girl in the long blue dress?
That's right. That's Jill. 5.
And who's the boy who's kicking the ball?
The boy in the red t-shirt?
Yes. Is that Bill?
No, it's Peter. Bill isn't here today.
Oh, so Peter likes soccer too.
Yes, he does. Now listen to part 1
Okay.
again.
So now let's check your answers, Alice. On number 1, Sally and the girl in the blue dress who's playing badminton. Okay, correct. Number 2, Paul and the boy who's climbing a tree. Very good. Jim and the boy under the tree. Correct. Jill and the girl in the long blue dress. And last one, Peter and the boy kicking the ball. Okay, very good. Okay, so that is Peter. Good job, Alice. Okay, because you got a perfect score. Okay, 5 points for you. Okay, so now let's go to the next activity. It says here, listen and write. There is one example. So again, Alice, you have to listen and then you type your answer later, okay? Let's begin. Are you ready, Kitty? Let's go, Kitty. Okay, now I will play it.
Part 2. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, John. Tell me about your brother, please.
OK. What can I tell you?
Well, what's his name?
It's Mark.
M-A-R-K?
Yes. M-A-R-K.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
How old is Mark?
He's 17 now.
Oh, 17.
Wait for me.
Okay.
17. Wait.
Okay.
Finish.
Finish? Okay, very good. Next one.
2.
Is Mark at school?
No, he works now. He works in a library.
Okay, so where does he work?
I don't know, right? Library.
Okay, so what's your answer? I will
I do library. You can talk to me. Please.
okay. So you don't know how to write library? Okay, so here is the spelling of library. It's L-I-B-R-A-R-Y.
It's very quickly.
Oh, but you can see it now. I show you already.
Where?
There, I showed it to you.
Where? I can't.
Look at your screen.
I can't.
Again, here. Can you see it now?
New.
Oh, it's in number 2. Where he works, the answer is library. Can you see it?
No.
No,
Library.
you didn't see it?
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, here. Oh, can you see it now?
I love me.
What? What, Kenji? Do you want to spell it? You want to spell it? Teacher will erase it. You want to spell it? Oh, teacher will erase it, okay? Ah, I erased it already. Ah, see? There's no answer now. Or maybe you can write your answer in number 2. Oh, your answer is a library, right? Oh, so can you write library? Oh, where are you now? Okay, very good. Your answer is in the library. Number 3.
3.
Does he work at the weekend?
No, he doesn't work on Saturdays, Sundays or Wednesdays.
Oh, he only works 4 days a week.
Yes.
Okay, how many days does he work? Okay, next one, number 4.
4.
What does he like doing at the weekend?
He always goes to the cinema.
Does he take you with him?
Sometimes.
Okay, so number 4, what he does at weekend?
Girls.
Okay, very good. Last one, number 5.
5.
Does he do any sport?
He likes watching soccer, but he doesn't play. He plays table tennis every Wednesday.
Okay, so what sport does he play? Okay, very good. So now let's check your answers. Number 1 is 17, correct? Number 2, a library is correct also. Number 3, 4 days a week. Number 4, goes to the cinema. And number 5, he plays table tennis. Okay, very good. Very good, Kitty. Because you got a perfect score, I will give you a Hello Kitty. Okay, that is your reward and your prize. A Hello Kitty. Okay, very good. So let's have the next activity. Hello Kitty, Alice. Okay, so it says here, part 3. What did Vicky do last week? Listen and draw a line from the day to the correct picture. There is one example. Okay, so let's begin again. Hello Kitty, Alice.
Part 3. Look at the pictures. What did Vicky do last week? Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Vicky. Did you have a good holiday last week?
Yes, thanks. It was great.
What did you do?
Well, on Saturday we went to the zoo. We saw a lot of animals there.
Can you see the line from the word Saturday? On Saturday, Vicky went to the zoo. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
What did you do on Friday?
We went to the cinema, I think.
Did you?
Yes, that's right. It rained that day.
Was it a good film?
Yes. It was about animals in the jungle, and it was funny.
2.
Did you have a picnic when you were on your holiday?
Yes. We took one to the beach.
Which day was that?
Tuesday, I think. That's right. Tuesday.
One more.
One more,
3.
one more.
And
Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
What did you do on Friday?
we went to the cinema, I think.
Did you?
Yes, that's right. It rained that day.
Was it a good film?
Yes. It was about animals in the jungle, and it was funny.
2.
Did you have a picnic when you were on your holiday?
Yes. We took one to the beach.
Which day was that?
Tuesday, I think. That's right. Tuesday.
I finished.
Okay.
3.
And I went swimming in the sea one day.
Was that on Sunday? It was very sunny that day.
No, it was on Monday.
Oh, did you enjoy it?
Yes, and my mum swam with me, and our dog.
4.
And did you go to the forest too?
Yes, on Wednesday. We had another picnic there. We sat near a river.
Wow!
Yes, our dog loved swimming there.
Did you go in the water too?
No, it was too cold.
5.
And where did you go on Thursday?
On Thursday, it rained and rained, so we didn't go out.
What did you do then?
I watched TV.
What did you see?
Only an old film about an elephant. I didn't enjoy it. It was boring.
Oh.
Now listen to part 3 again.
Okay, so let's check your answers now. So number 1. All right, Friday is correct. They watched a movie about elephant at the cinema. Next one. Monday is correct. They went swimming with their pet dog. Next one. Wednesday is also correct. They went picnic in a river. Next one. Thursday is also correct. Oh, okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. You got 5 points in this part. Okay, let's continue. Oh, it happened. All right, so now let's have part 4. Listen and tick the box. There's one example. Okay, so this is very easy. Hello Kitty Alice. You just have to put a tick on the correct answer. Okay?
No, I don't know what design. I don't want to hear exam. To listen.
You don't want to hear the example anymore?
Yes.
Okay. Let's try to forward the audio file.
What did Peter do yesterday?
Peter? Basketball more than baseball?
Yes. Do you like it?
No, soccer's best.
Now here.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What did Jill have for lunch?
Did you have a good lunch, Jill?
Yes, it was okay.
What did you have?
I had some soup.
Only soup?
No, I had an apple after the soup.
Oh. I had some sandwiches and a cake.
2. Where does Bill live?
Where do you live, Bill?
I live next to the playground and a shop.
A toy shop?
No, a bookshop.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so number 1. What did Jill have for lunch? Okay, the answer is letter C, correct? Oh, what's your answer in number 2? There are a lot of ticks.
Number 3, number C.
Number 2. What's your answer?
C.
C, okay. Where does Bill live? Oh, the answer is letter B. In an apartment next to the bookshop. Okay, now let's go to number 3. Oh, do you want me to erase that?
No.
No? Okay, let's begin number 3.
3. What did Jim's grandmother give him for his birthday?
Was it your birthday last week, Jim?
Yes, it was.
Did you get any presents?
Yes, I did. I got a new bike from my grandmother, some CDs and a sweater.
Did your parents give you the CDs?
No, they gave me the sweater.
And who gave you the CDs?
My grandfather.
Wait a minute, Kenchi. Wait a minute. Hello, Kitty. let's continue. What's your answer number 3?
I don't know.
Okay, I will play it one more time.
3. What did Jim's grandmother give him for his birthday?
Was it your birthday last week, Jim?
Yes, it was.
Did you get any presents?
Yes, I did. I got a new bike from my grandmother, some CDs and a sweater.
Did your parents give you the CDs?
No, they gave me the sweater.
And who gave you the CDs?
My grandfather.
4. Where is Mary going?
I color one square and you can see.
Oh, so that's letter A. That's letter A? Okay. Oh, wait a minute, Kanchi. Wait, there's somebody outside. Wait for me. Okay, so how about number 4?
Are you going to town, Mary?
Yes, I am.
Are you going to the library?
No, I'm going to the cinema.
The ABC cinema?
No, the park cinema.
Oh. Enjoy the film.
Thanks.
Where is the park?
Okay. Okay, now let's go to number 5.
5. Which is Daisy's new pet?
I got a new pet yesterday.
Another dog?
No, my dad didn't want another dog.
So what did you get?
I wanted a rabbit, but the shop didn't have any.
So what did you get?
A parrot.
Wait.
I'll finish.
Not finished.
Finish?
Wait.
Okay. Finished now? Hello Kitty?
Not finished.
Not yet finished? Oh! Everything went white. What happened? Did you color everything?
Yes.
Why? Why did you color everything?
I like. Finish.
So, let's check your answers. Number 1 is A. Number 2 is A. And number 3 is C. Okay, very good. Hello, Kitty Alice. Because you got a perfect score of... no. You're not perfect. You got one mistake here.
Yeah.
Oh. So you got... What happened?
4.
Yeah, you
4.
got 4 points for this activity. Now, I will give you a flower because it's your birthday. Okay.
Only flower. I like a birthday cake.
A birthday cake? Wow, that's so hard. Okay, let's see. Okay, your cake must be color pink. Okay, now I will draw a candle.
It's not beautiful. I want another.
Wait, it's not yet finished. So here
Another. No.
you wait. I'm not yet finished. Here is your cake.
It's not beautiful.
Oh, but teacher doesn't know how to draw. So that is my gift cake for you.
No, it's not beautiful.
It's not beautiful.
Beautiful.
Maybe you can draw a cake.
Finish.
Oh, you want a tall cake and a big cake. Okay. So, Kenchi, that's the end of our activity for tonight. Okay?
Wait.
What's that?
I can't see your birthday cake.
You cannot see it?
Yes.
Here.
Where? I can't see.
It's on the screen.
Where?
It's there.
Where? My birthday cake? Your birthday cake.
There is.
I can't see.
There is a birthday cake. Okay, so Kenchi, let's continue again on Saturday because teacher has another class for tonight. Okay, hello Kitty Alice. Good night. You sleep now. Hello Kitty Alice.
Goodbye.
Good night. See you again.